video is sponsored by Flashark. Make sure you guys go ahead and use promo code LifeOfTrey to go ahead and get that discount because inflation is real. If you guys want any of these other products, the link is going to be in the description down below, you guys. Right here, make sure you click see details or click whatever right here, and it'll take you straight to that website to see all the products that they have. Here's a little glimpse right here, and that way you guys can see what they have, get a little quick idea, so that way, go ahead and get you some parts. Like I said, use code LifeOfTrey to save on that discount because inflation is real, and so is rent, goddamn. All right, you guys, so right now I'm about to go ahead and install these coilovers that you guys can see. Got the whip in the garage. So I'm gonna do the rears first. So these are the ones I'm gonna do first. I already got them set. Well, they're not quite set, but I got them prepped and ready. So I wanna do the rears because a lot of people say they're difficult to do, which is more difficult, but we're about to put that to the test right now. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and put it on the jack stands. Let you guys see real quick. Got that side up. You guys see? So I gotta remove those two bolts right there. Then I gotta take off that bolt right there. This one right here. And then, where is it? I gotta take off that bolt right there. Go ahead and put the jack stand right there so I can still give this some tension while I pull this bolt out. So I'm about to go ahead and remove this other bolt for the exhaust so I can go ahead and drop it because I need clearance to get to this bolt right here. So as you guys can see, I got the spring in. That's the only thing I got in right now. I'm just checking everything, fitment and all that. About to go ahead and put the coilovers in, see how that looks. So let's go over there right now. So as you guys can see, major difference, major difference. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna level it back out to even this out with this one. And then pretty much I'm gonna drop it down to 1.5 inches on this side. This right here factory was at 25.5. So what I did was I measured from the center bolt to, well, the center right here to the top of right here. So I did this, measured from right here, and then came to the top. So what I did was I basically lined it up with this and just dropped it 1.5 inches. So I got 24 inches. So that way, you know, once I get the wide body kit on and I cut the fenders, I'm gonna probably drop this a little bit more, probably like 1/2 inch. So I went ahead and set mines to 1 inch. So basically I have this, I measured from right here to right here. So I measured 1 inch because that's really all I need. Like I said, this is all adjustable, you guys. This is for anybody's preference, but this is my preference. This is what I'm gonna do on both sides. So we're gonna see how it looks when it's done. So I'm doing this right here, one hand. So I got it seated in like that. And pretty much what I'm about to do is I'm about to just go ahead and start raising it up. So today is a new day. I went ahead and got the rears done. I would have did the fronts last night, but it was getting late and this garage is not like soundproof. But I'm gonna eventually put probably like some dampening, you know, to prevent the noise, you know, from going upstairs like that. So, but anyways, let me show you guys. Right now I gotta record it, hold it and record it, but I have it dropped to like 1.5 inches, as you guys can see. But eventually, this thing is not on. It's gonna fall right off. But as you guys can see, it's no longer sitting up like a monster truck. Yep, that looks good right now. Yeah, that looks good. All I gotta do is just the fronts, because these are lower to 1.5 inches. Then I'm gonna lower these to like maybe just like 1 inch. Yeah, looks good. All right, guys, so right now I'm about to go ahead and do the front suspension. So I ain't gonna lie, this junk already looks good. Like, it already looks good. Can't even complain. But you see, yes, it's a V6 motor, but that V6 motor is not gonna be in there very long. The first to do it, okay? Fully built motor in a Dodge Charger, and I'll be the first to do it. I don't care what nobody say. That junk is a lot of work, and I'm gonna do it. Let's get to work and change these front suspensions, because I'm ready to get it over with. I gotta get my wheel locked so I can take off the security lock. Man, this thing dirty. Now I just gotta I'm gonna take these off last, but I'm about to tackle this bolt right here, and then I'm gonna tackle this bolt right here. So with the coilover from Flashark, if you want to adjust it, so pretty much what I do is I measure it from the factory and then I dial it down to where I want it to be. So usually you just take this, unlock it, and just spin this. As you can see the brand right there, Flashark. So you just keep spinning and spinning until you get to your desired height. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. A lot of people, their desire is differently. So, you know, you can take this, I got the backs at 24 inches. Then I'm gonna probably do these 24.5 inches. As y'all can see, I got mine to 24 inches. So you wanna measure the center circle, which where the bolt goes. But yeah, I got mine at 24 inches. if this piece right here ever starts spinning on you, just get you an 18mm wrench and get you a hex tool. I'll show you guys. HW6. That's what I got. I'm just loosening it up. All right, there it goes. That's why I have my knee. It's good to get you one of these, man. What do you think about the car?
What's up, y'all?
Say something. You don't know what to say? You said you want to be in it.
I just said, yeah.
That's it? That's all? All right, you guys, as you guys can see, this is how the car is lowered right now. I went ahead and dropped the rear to 1.5 inches, and I got the front end dropped down to 2 inches. So let's go ahead and do a drive-by real quick just to see how it looks. So as you guys can see, man, I went ahead and did a couple of drive-bys, B-rolls for you guys, so you guys can see how the suspension rides at the bumps, and even if you got like a little bit of dips. But I am still gonna cut the fenders, only because I'm still gonna put the wide body kit on it. So I'm still gonna cut the fenders because when I am on the freeway, sometimes there's a little bit of bumps, but you can still hear it rubbing. So I'm still gonna cut the fenders. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys want to see some drive-bys or some flybys and stuff like that, comment down below and I'll make a separate video for you guys. But that's going to wrap it up for this video, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.